Have you noticed this? You sit for a while, then you stand up and your knees feel stiff, tight, maybe even painful. You take a few steps, hoping it will go away, but it doesn't. In fact, for many people over 50, it gets worse with time. Now here's the part most people ignore. That pain is not just age. It is often a warning. A warning that the muscles around your knee are getting weaker. A warning that your joint is losing support. And if nothing changes, simple things like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing up could become difficult. But here is the good news. In many cases, knee pain can improve faster than you think. Not with pills, not with expensive treatments, but with the right movements, done the right way. And today I will show you 5 simple exercises. Safe, proven, backed by research, and designed especially for adults over 50. Now you might be thinking, what if exercise makes my pain worse? That's a valid concern. But the truth is, avoiding movement is often what makes knees weaker and more painful. So the real question is not, should you move? The real question is, are you moving correctly? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do. And more importantly, what to avoid. Number 1, straight leg raises. Why does this simple move reduce pressure inside your knee? Let me ask you something. What if your knee pain is not really coming from your knee? Sounds strange, but it's true. In many cases, knee pain happens because the muscles around the joint are weak. Especially the quadriceps, the large muscles in the front of your thigh. When these muscles are weak, your knee takes more load than it should. And that creates stress, inflammation, and pain. This is where the straight leg raise becomes powerful. It looks simple, almost too simple. But it targets the exact muscle group that supports your knee without putting pressure on the joint. Here, how to do it. Lie on your back. Keep one leg bent and the other leg straight. Now slowly lift the straight leg to the height of your opposite knee. Hold for a few seconds, then lower it slowly. No jerking, no fast movement. Now you may wonder, why not just walk more instead? Because walking alone does not always strengthen weak muscles evenly. But this exercise isolates and activates the quadriceps safely. A study published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy showed that targeted quadriceps strengthening can significantly reduce knee pain and improve function in older adults. And here's the important part. You don't need to do many. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions. Slow and controlled. If you feel mild muscle fatigue, that's good. But sharp pain, that's your signal to stop. So ask yourself, are your knees hurting because they are damaged? Or because they are not supported enough? Number 2, quad sets. Can tightening a muscle really calm knee pain within minutes? Now here is something surprising. You don't always need movement to reduce pain. Sometimes just activating a muscle is enough. That's exactly what quad sets do. This exercise is often used in physical therapy, even after knee surgery, because it gently wakes up the quadriceps without moving the joint. And that matters. Because when your knee is painful, movement can feel risky. But complete rest can make things worse. So what's the solution? You activate without strain. Here's how. Sit or lie down with your legs straight. Now tighten the muscle on the front of your thigh. At the same time, press the back of your knee gently toward the floor. Hold this contraction for 5 to 10 seconds. Then relax. That's 1 repetition. Simple but very effective. Now you might be thinking, how can this small movement help real pain? Because pain is not only about damage. It is also about control. When muscles are inactive, the joint becomes unstable. And instability increases pain signals. But when you activate the muscle, even slightly, you improve joint stability. And that can reduce discomfort almost immediately. Research from the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons highlights the importance of early quadriceps activation in reducing knee pain and improving mobility. And here's something many people notice. After just a few sets, their knee feels more supported. Less shaky, less stiff. So the next time your knee feels weak, instead of avoiding movement completely, ask yourself, what if your muscles just need to be switched back on? Number 3, seated knee extensions. Are you losing strength every day without noticing it? Let's talk about something most people overlook. Loss of strength does not happen suddenly. It happens slowly, quietly over time. And by the time you feel knee pain, a lot of strength is already gone. So here's a question for you. When was the last time you actually used your thigh muscles fully? Not while walking, not while standing, but fully extending your knee with control. That's where seated knee extensions come in. This exercise looks basic, but it directly targets one of the most important functions of your knee extension. Here, how to do it. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Now slowly lift one leg until it becomes straight. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower it back down. Do not rush. Control is everything here. Now you may feel a slight shaking in your leg. That's not weakness to fear, that's your muscle waking up. A study published in Clinical Rehabilitation found that controlled knee extension exercises improve joint stability and reduce pain in older adults with knee issues. But here's the deeper point. If you avoid straightening your leg fully, your knee loses its natural range of motion. And once that range is lost, everyday movements become harder. Getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, even walking faster. So ask yourself this. Are you protecting your knee by avoiding movement? Or are you slowly making it weaker? Start small. 8 to 10 repetitions, one leg at a time. And pay attention to how your knee feels after a few days. Because sometimes the pain is not asking you to stop. It is asking you to rebuild. Number 4, step-ups. Why do stairs become painful, and can this exercise reverse it? Now let's face a real-life problem. Stairs. For many people over 50, stairs become a daily struggle. Pain when going up, fear when coming down. And slowly, people start avoiding them. But here's the issue. Avoiding stairs does not fix the problem. It actually weakens the exact muscles you need to climb them. So what's the solution? You train the movement in a controlled way. That's what step-ups are designed to do. Here's how to start safely. Use a low step, even 4 to 6 inches is enough. Hold onto a wall or railing for support. Now step up with one foot. Bring the other foot up, then step back down slowly. Take your time. No rushing, no bouncing. Now you may feel discomfort at first. But there is a difference between discomfort and harmful pain. Mild effort is normal. Sharp or stabbing pain is not. Research from the Arthritis Foundation shows that functional exercises like step-ups can improve strength, balance, and reduce knee pain when done correctly. And here's something important. This exercise trains your body for real life. Not just isolated muscles, but coordination and control. Because in daily life, your knee does not work alone. It works with your hips, your ankles, your balance. So the next time you avoid stairs, ask yourself this. Are you avoiding pain? Or are you avoiding the chance to get stronger? Start with 5 to 8 repetitions. Build slowly. Because every step you train here makes real-life steps easier. Number 5, cycling. Can gentle movement actually heal stiff knees faster than rest? Now here's a question many people struggle with. When my knee hurts, should I rest or keep moving? The instinct is to rest. And sometimes short rest helps. But too much rest, that's where stiffness grows. That's where joints lose lubrication. And that's where cycling becomes one of the best options. Why? Because it keeps your knee moving without heavy impact. Here, how to do it right. Use a stationary bike if possible. Set very low resistance. Start slow. Even 5 minutes is enough in the beginning. Focus on smooth, continuous motion. Now, if you don't have a bike, you can mimic the motion while sitting or lying down. The key is gentle repetition. A study published in the Journal of Rheumatology found that low-impact aerobic exercises like cycling can reduce knee pain and improve joint function in older adults. But here's what most people don't realize. Your knee joint depends on movement to stay healthy. Movement helps circulate synovial fluid. This fluid acts like a natural lubricant inside your joint. Without movement, that lubrication decreases, and stiffness increases. So when you feel stiff, your body is not always asking for rest. Sometimes it is asking for gentle motion. So think about this. What if the fastest way to reduce stiffness is not stopping, but moving smarter? Start slow, stay consistent. Because small movements, repeated daily, can bring back comfort you thought was gone. Conclusion. So now you have a choice. You can ignore the pain. Wait, hope it goes away. Or you can take small, simple steps starting today. These 5 exercises are not complicated. But when done consistently, they can change how your knees feel, move, and support you. And remember, this video was made after long research. We could not include everything here. So if you want to learn more, check the links in the description below. Now tell me in the comments, which exercise will you try first? And if this helped you even a little, like the video, share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe for more simple, research-based health guidance. Because your body is still capable of improving. At any age.